Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am just going to teach you the fifth part of class 8 chemistry, and the name of this chapter is carbon and its compound. So in the previous video I were already discussed about how the CO2 is prepared. So some ways I told you that how the CO2 is prepared, and today I am just going to teach you about how the CO2, that means carbon dioxide, is prepared in the laboratory. That means the laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide. Okay, for laboratory preparation of carbon dioxide, this type of setup will be there. In this type of setup, the round flask like round beaker like structure is there, the vessel is there, which is known as the Wolff's bottle. It is known as the Wolff's bottle. Okay, and this is the double mouth bottle. यहाँ दो माउथ होते हैं. This funnel, it is known as the Thistle funnel. It is known as the Thistle funnel. Okay, now in this bottle, what the thing is going here, in the base calcium carbonate is taken, that means the CaCO3, which is here you can say the marble chip is taken, which is the calcium carbonate, and also put some amount of dilute HCl. Okay, dilute HCl. Now when the calcium carbonate are taken in the Wolff's bottle, which I already told you, it is a double mouth glass bottle, okay, with two necks. It is having the two neck, and few drops of dilute HCl is drawn, some drops of dilute HCl is done, and कैसे डालेंगे? Through this Thistle funnel. इस Thistle funnel के through some drops of dilute HCl will be done. Okay, now what happened here? As the dilute HCl is drawn into this calcium carbonate, the effervescence, कुछ उबास टाइप का, कुछ बुदबुदाहट टाइप की अंदर होने लगेगी. That means the acid which you have put through the Thistle funnel, that is going to react with the marble, and the carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay, carbon dioxide gas release होगी, which is heavier than the air. जो air से heavier होती है, then it is collected in this jar. इस jar में क्या होगी? इस में CO2 गैस जो है वो आकर के collect हो जाएगी. Okay, so this type of laboratory apparatus is there, and let us see the reaction for this laboratory preparation. That what is the reaction? So as I told you, that dilute HCl will be there, dilute HCl. Okay, now to whom it is going to react? It is going to react with the marble chip, that means the calcium carbonate. And what it is going to produce? It is just going to produce the calcium chloride, which is written as CaCl2. It is called as calcium chloride. Then it is going to form H2O, water, and then it is also going to form the main gas, which is our laboratory preparation, carbon dioxide. Okay, and let us balance the reaction, because here 2 HCl will be there. So this type of reaction will be takes place, and this is and as I told you, the laboratory setup for that. Now the question you can ask to me, that calcium, why the calcium carbonate is preferred? क्योंकि हम कार्बोनेट से रिएक्शन करा रहे हैं कि कोई भी कार्बोनेट रिएक्ट करेगा, दैट मीन्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कैन बी ऑब्टेन बाय रिएक्शन विद द मेटल कार्बोनेट. किसी भी मेटल कार्बोनेट से हम रिएक्शन करा रहे हैं, तो हमने कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को ही वाई वी हैव प्रेफर्ड, बिकॉज कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट्स इज easily, because it is very easily available and it is cheap. That means calcium carbonate क्या, it is easily available as well as it is cheap. Now we have also used HCl rather than that of the H2SO4. So why we have preferred the dilute HCl? Because the dilute HCl, sulfuric acid is not used, because being insoluble in water, and it covers the chip and the reaction will be stopped. That is why we have used the HCl instead of the H2SO4. Okay, now let us see the physical properties of carbon dioxide. Whatever the physical properties of carbon dioxide. So some physical properties, as you know, it is colorless and odorless gas. It is colorless and odorless. What is the meaning of odorless? Again and again I am telling, that means smellless. It is very slightly acidic. It is slightly acidic in nature. बहुत light acidic होती है nature में. It is easily soluble in water. It is easily soluble in water. Okay, some other properties are there. It forms a snow white solid called dry ice. It is going to form dry ice. So when it is going to form dry ice, when it cooled -78 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जब इसको -78 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हम कूल करते हैं, देन इट इज गोइंग टू फॉर्म द ड्राई आइस. ओके, एंड इट इज नॉन पॉइजनस गैस. सो important thing is also there, that it is non poisonous gas. Okay, now let us see some chemical properties of the carbon dioxide. That means how it's react with some chemical elements. So there is variety of chemical properties are there. That means reaction with hydrogen. When it's react with hydrogen, so if carbon dioxide is react with hydrogen, so it is going to form methane and carbon monoxide. It is going to form methane and carbon dioxide. So let us write carbon dioxide is the main component with hydrogen. So hydrogen we have written, balance we will do later on. Let us do what they are going to form. They are going to form methane, that means CH4, and it is also going to form carbon monoxide, that means CO. So now let us see the balance. Equation is balance. So let us see, the equation is not balanced over here because CH4 यहाँ पर H एक ही है. Okay, यहाँ H2O भी बनाया है. So we have to write here 6H2. H2, that means the hydrogen already here. H2 I forgot to written here. Now 6 here, so we have to write 4 here. Now 6 हो गया. Okay, now then carbon monoxide, it will be here 2 and here 3. That means now 3 CO2, 6 H2, it reacts to give CH4, 2 CO and 4 H2O. Okay, so this is the reaction of carbon dioxide with hydrogen. Now let us see the reaction of carbon dioxide with water, कि how it will react with the water. So when the carbon dioxide is react with the water, so as I told you, it is slightly acidic in nature. So carbon dioxide react with water and form carbonic acid, क्योंकि acidic है nature में. So let us see carbon dioxide plus water, that means H2O, and it is going to form carbonic acid, which is H2CO3. It is carbonic acid. Okay, so carbon dioxide reacts with water and it is going to form what? Carbonic acid, because it is slightly acidic in nature. Okay, now let us see the other property, other chemical property, that means reaction of carbon dioxide with the metals. With metals, so any metals you can use. I am just going to take the magnesium. So when carbon dioxide is react with the metals and it is going to form metal oxide, that means though carbon dioxide is non-supported for combustion, so in the presence इट गिव्स ब्लैक स्पैक्स ऑफ द कार्बन। ये क्या करेगी, मोस्टली ये क्या बनाएगी, कार्बन के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े जैसे बनाएगी। दैट मीन्स किसी भी वो मेटल्स के साथ रिएक्ट करेगी, लाइक पोटेशियम, सोडियम। सो लेट आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द मैग्नीशियम प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, तो ये रिएक्ट करेगी तो इसका मैग्नीशियम के साथ ऑक्साइड ही बनाएगी। दैट मीन्स द मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड विच इज MgO, and it is also going to form the black spoots of the carbon. Okay, so this will be the reaction with the metals. Okay, now let us see when it is react with the metal oxide. जब ये metal oxides के साथ react करेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, then what will form? So with metal oxides, so when the carbon dioxide is react with the metal oxide, और metals क्या होते हैं, they are in the basic nature, so it is going to form metal bicarbonates. ये क्या बनाएंगे, ये metal carbonates बनाएंगे। एक slightly acidic है, एक slightly basic है। okay, so let us write Na2O, okay, which is the sodium oxide. It is going to react with the carbon dioxide, so it is going to form Na2CO3, which is सोडियम कार्बोनेट। एज आई टोल्ड यू, ये क्या बनाएंगे, कार्बोनेट्स बनाएंगे। ये क्या है, सोडियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट्स विद वाटर एंड गोइंग टू फॉर्म सोडियम कार्बोनेट। ऐसे ही मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट विद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड गोइंग टू फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम कार्बोनेट। ओके, now let us see one more reaction and then other thing we will discuss in the next video. So reaction of carbon dioxide with the metal hydroxides. It is going to react with the metal hydroxides. So when carbon dioxide is react with the metal hydroxide, it is going to form metal carbonates. What it is going to form, it is going to form metal carbonates. CO2 reacts with metal hydroxide and form the metal carbonates. So let us see one example is there. Suppose taking here sodium hydroxide, that means NaOH. This is the sodium hydroxide. It is going to react with the carbon dioxide, so it is going to form metal carbonate. That means what it is going to form, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay, Na2CO3. This is the metal carbonate, as well as it is also going to release the water. So the balance equation is there, Na2, so it is not balanced over here, so just balance this. To now the reaction will be 2NaOH, carbon dioxide gives Na2CO3 plus H2O. Okay, so this is all about some chemical properties of the carbon dioxide. Rest of the topic I will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.